Titan, Saturn's largest moon, was recently visited by the European space probe Huygens with the hope of discovering more about the moon. The Mars-sized moon has an atmosphere consistent with Earth's. Both have nitrogen-rich air and rain, but Titan contains something unlike to Earth due to its frigid temperatures. The two different gases, methane and ethane, are found in a liquid state.
Titan's air has no oxygen at all, and it's far colder than anywhere on Earth. But still, I want to go there. We have to descend through a couple hundred kilometers of smog before we can even see the surface. But hidden beneath lies a weirdly familiar landscape. Titan is the only other world in the solar system where it ever rains. It has rivers and coastlines. Titan has hundreds of lakes, one of them larger than Lake Superior in North America. Vapor rising from the lakes condenses and falls again as rain. The rain feeds rivers, which carve valleys into the landscape, just like on Earth. But with one big difference. On Titan, the seas and the rain are made not of water, but of methane and ethane. On Earth, those molecules form natural gas. On frigid Titan, they're liquid.
Our whole objective was to send a spherical probe to the surface to discover if Titan ever had or will sustain any forms of life, most likely methane-based. The probe must be capable to roll on Titan's terrain in short distance in hopes of landing near a lake, but not in it. The terrain mostly consists of water ice, which has the possibility of obtaining related to Earth.
There are supposed to be two different forms of methane on Titan. We hope to capture them within the probe while it falls and while it's rolling. Also, while it's rolling, we can collect more materials to help aid in the discovery of past life forms and other materials at the surface.
There were variables we could control, such as the height of the ramp, which would control the angle of the probe entering the atmosphere. We wanted to ensure the terrain was relatively flat and the probe was sent off by the same person.
We couldn't truly control timer accuracy to falling, rolling, and stopping, and if there were any obstructions unbeknownst to the current test.
The probe most likely to reach all of our expectations was the wiffle ball shaped one. It had the most air resistance, which meant it would collect the most methane while falling. It also traveled the least distance, which meant it would be most on target with rolling near a lake but not into it.